Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Online Tutorials, the online educational channel. Today in our video we are going to discuss the price elasticity of demand. As we know, the economists commonly measure responsiveness using the concept of elasticity. And as we know, the elasticity is a general concept that we use to quantify the response in one variable when another variable changes. The price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded to change in price. So the price elasticity of demand, it's equal to percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. Now we are going to take an example. The price of a new portable CD player falls from $100 to $90. The quantity of CD players demanded rises from 15,000 per year to 20,000 per year. And here they are asking us to calculate the price elasticity of demand for portable CD players. Then we are going to see if the demand is elastic, inelastic, or unitary elastic. Usually we have two ways to calculate the price elasticity of demand, or the regular one, and then we will have percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. And in order to calculate each one, like the percentage change in quantity demanded, it will be Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 times 100. The percentage change in price, it's equal to P2 minus P1 over P1 times 100. It's the regular way to calculate the price elasticity of demand. At the same time, we can use the midpoint formula. When using the midpoint formula, so it will be like totally different than the first one, because the midpoint formula is a more precise way of calculating the percentages using the value halfway between P1 and P2 for the base in calculating the percentage change in price, and also the value halfway between Q1 and Q2 as a base for calculating the percentage change in quantity demanded. Then we will have the percentage change in quantity demanded, it's equal to Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 plus Q2 over 2 times 100. The same for the price. Percentage change in price, it's equal to P2 minus P1 over P1 plus P2 over 2 times 100. If we need to apply the formulas on the exercise that we saw in the previous slide, they told us that the price is falling from $100 to $90. That's mean P1 it's equal to 100, P2 it's equal to 90. It's very important to determine P1, P2, Q1, Q2. Then we will apply the formula in a very easy way. Then they told us that the quantity demanded is increasing from 15,000 per year to 20,000 per year. That's mean Q1 equal 15,000 and Q2 equal 20,000. Now it's very easy for us to apply the formula, the regular one and the using the midpoint formula. By applying the formula, the regular one, we know that the price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. If we need to calculate the percentage change in quantity demanded, so it will be like as we have defined that P1 equal 100, P2 equal 90 because the price is falling down, and then we have the Q1 equal 15,000, the Q2 equal 20,000. So if we need to calculate the percentage change in quantity demanded, it's Q2 20,000 minus Q1 15,000 over Q1, which is 15,000, times 100, we will obtain plus 33.33. And if we need to calculate the percentage change in price, which is equal to P2 minus P1, that's mean 90 minus 100 over P1, 100 times 100, it's equal to minus 10%. And then we will obtain plus 33.33 over minus 10, and then we will have minus 3.33. In absolute value, we will obtain 3.33 greater than 1, and then the demand is elastic. Because also, as we know, if the price elasticity of demand is greater than 1 in absolute value, so the demand is elastic. If it's less than 1, the demand will be inelastic, and if price elasticity of demand is equal to 1, that means the demand is unitary elastic. Now, using the midpoint formula, the percentage change in quantity demanded, Q2 minus Q1, 20,000 minus 15,000, over Q1 plus Q2 over 2, 15,000 plus 20,000 over 2, times 100. And then we will obtain the percentage change in quantity demanded, it's equal to plus 28.57. If we need to calculate the percentage change in price, it's equal to P2 minus P1, 90 minus 100, over P1 plus P2 over 2, 100 plus 90 over 2, times 100. And then we will obtain minus 10.52. Then the price elasticity of demand is equal to plus 28.57 over minus 10.52, which is equal to minus 2.71. Here there is an important question, why the answer is always negative here in the price elasticity of demand, because as we know, the price and the quantity demanded are opposite to each other, because when the price increases, the quantity demanded decreases, and the opposite is true. So of course you are going to obtain one positive and one negative, then the answer is going to be negative. And the midpoint formula, the price elasticity of demand, it's equal to minus 2.71. So in absolute value, it's greater than 1. That's why the demand is elastic. Thank you for watching my channel.